Remember, safety first. You only get one set of eyes. We've all been there. It's late at night and you need that pin punch, but you don't have a pin punch. As a matter of fact, I normally don't buy them, I just make them. I'm going to take this bent punch and turn this into a pin punch using the drill press. When the punch is mushroomed like this, you want to make sure that it's up inside of the chuck far enough where it doesn't make it wobble. Because I refuse to go buy a chuck key, I'll tighten this the same way I showed in my previous video. I'll be doing this with two different styles of file. One of them is a rectangle and the other one is a half round. I like the flat edge of the rectangle because it gives a more machined edge and a little bit more control in a focused area. For this project, never use a file that doesn't have a handle. It can turn into a projectile, and with that sharp point, it can do a lot of damage. You can see the wobble is quite clear here, and it will disappear as we machine even further into the punch. Try to keep the file moving. Don't let it sit still on the punch for too long, as this can damage the teeth on the file. You can see here I'm using the half round to shape the waist of the tip. It's the transition that goes from the main punch all the way down to the pin punch. Now we'll shape the pin portion of the punch. And as we get closer to the tip and the desired length we want, we're going to cut the tip off where it was bent. I'll give the tip a couple finishing strokes and we are finished with this one. I'll dress the shoulder of the punch until I have my desired length of my tip complete. Now for a quick quench in motor oil to help the punch keep its tensile strength. There you have it, one finished pin punch that took me about 10 minutes grand total to make. Just the thing to keep the project moving. Check out other Fab King videos to keep your project moving.